So, you just got a pricey smartphone and you're thinking of using it for decades, maybe even passing it down in perfect condition. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips and tricks on how to maximize the lifespan of your tech devices. Get ready to become the best in preserving tech devices. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So the first tip here would be proper charging habits. Let's be honest, many of us don't allow our devices fully charge, and when we finally do, we drain it to 0%. The worst part, charging these devices and using them simultaneously. Imagine if you're constantly used and refueled at the same time. Really exhausting, right? To keep your battery healthy, aim to maintain its level between 20% to 80%. This reduces stress on the battery and prolongs its lifespan. Also, always use the original charger that came with the device or invest in a high-quality replacement to ensure optimal charging performance. Also, avoid cheap third-party chargers as they can damage your battery life and reduce your battery longevity. Now, the second thing we'll talk about here would be regular software updates. Alright, let's talk about updates. Regular software updates are like health checkups for your device. They contain critical security patches that protect your smartphone or your devices for vulnerabilities and also performance improvements to keep your devices running smoothly. So think of it this way. You wouldn't skip your annual checkups, right? So why skip updates on your devices? Just imagine if your devices could talk. They would say, hey, I need my vitamins too. Now, if you're like me and sometimes forget, yeah, I'm human, you simply can enable automatic updates on your smartphones, your iPads, your laptops and all these devices. This way, your device updates itself while you sleep, just like a ninja tech doctor working night shifts. If you prefer manual control because you're a control freak, and I'm not here to judge you, that's okay, you can make it a habit to check for updates regularly on your devices. Now here's a fun fact. Software updates can fix bugs, those annoying glitches that make you want to throw your devices out the window. And also, keeping your devices up to date ensures it stays secure and efficient. So don't be like a dinosaur stuck in the past. Embrace updates and your device will thank you by running smoother and safer. Plus, you'll avoid those awkward moments when your app won't open because you're running a version from the Stone Age. Yeah. The third point here would be to clean and protect your devices. Dust and debris might seem harmless but can cause significant damage to your device by clogging vents and causing overheating on your devices. Now, regularly cleaning your device with a microfiber cloth can prevent dust buildup and keep your device's internals in good condition. Now, here's a true story that happened to me. My Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra was recently dropped and a charger kind of damaged the screen. And of course, I had no screen protection for this device as is typical Oscar, and now I'm living with the consequences. By the way, have you ever dropped your smartphone? Have you ever had a cracked screen? I would love to hear a story in the comment section below. So don't be like me, use a protective case for your smartphone and also screen protection for your smartphone. They guard against scratches, drops, like in my situation, and other physical damages. Think of it as giving your device this armor security, protecting it from your clumsy hands and everyday hazards. Now, the fourth tip here would be to avoid extreme conditions. Your smartphone isn't just an accessory to show off, especially in extreme weather. High temperatures can cause components to overheat and fail, while cold temperatures can cause your batteries to lose their charge faster. Humidity and moisture can lead to, short circuits and corrosion on your devices. To avoid these issues, keep your devices away from direct sunlight and avoid using them in very hot or very cold environments. Always keep them dry and store them in a cool, stable environment. For instance, if you're at the beach, don't leave your phone baking in the sun, and if you're in a cold condition or region, keep your devices warm just like you keep your hands. Now, the fifth point here would be to handle your devices with care. This cannot be overly emphasized. Physical damage is the leading cause of tech device failures. Do you notice how your device starts acting up after a bad fall? It's just like it's holding a grudge. Now, a single drop can cause serious internal damage to your devices, leading to costly repairs and even total device replacement. So be mindful of how you handle your gadgets. Avoid dropping them and don't place heavy objects on top of them. They are not training for weightlifting competition. And also store them safely when not in use because no one loves dropping their devices. Now let's talk about the protective gear for your devices. Using cases and screen protectors is like giving your device a suit of armor. You see this crack? This is what happens when you don't handle your device with care. And if you're clumsy like me, wait, am I clumsy? Scratch that, I'm not clumsy. But if you're clumsy, you need all the protection you can get. Trust me, the cost of a good case and screen protector is nothing compared to the heartache and also wallet ache of a shattered screen. I mean, I can tell you that. So treat your tech device as a delicate, precious treasure it is. So conclusively, with a bit of attention and care, your tech devices can stay functional and reliable for much longer. These tips I've shared will ensure your devices remain in excellent condition, saving you money in the long run. Treat your devices or gadgets well and they'll serve you faithfully for years to come and even decades. Yeah, maybe. So now I want to hear from you. What's the most bizarre or funny thing that's happened to one of your tech devices? Did it survive? Share your stories in the comment section below. Let's see who has the most dreaded and crazy tech mishap story in the comment section. Also, what other topics would you want me to cover on this channel? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section below. Your tech is an investment, so give it the care it deserves. Quida D. By the way, YouTube thinks you'd love those videos here, so go check them out. Bye for now.